me out of mind. Can't you see? You don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like. You don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like. That I was leaving, but I just couldn't say goodbye. It was all this to walk away from someone who meant everything in life to you. You learn from every lonely day. I learned I can't come back to stay. Let me try again. Let me try again. Think of all we had before. Let me try once more. We could have it all. You and I can. Please forgive me.
We are gathered together, sharing a common thread. We are all golf buddies of our friend Jack Eagle. And today is the 40th day, no? 40th day since our friend Jack departed. And for those, I remember a lot of you were present during the wake. And nung last day ng wake niya, 3 days na naman yung wake niya, nung last day ng wake niya, ang request ni Jack, walang necro. There was no necro. So after yung last night, I went back to the chapel dun sa Heritage. Ang setup ganito, may tables, may mga beer. Sabi ko kay Len, kumisli ko doon, ano to? Ito ang request ni Jack, sabi niya. Ayaw niya nung malungkot, gusto niya parang golf fellowship. Ang ka-table ko, sila Glides eh. Di ba, Glides? Yun naman kanila doon, si Glides, si Art Alabanza, ano daw kayo mo ng class 7 nito? O si Reo Chosa, ayun, may pulutan, may beer. So, ganun ang atmosphere natin ngayon. And I would like to request, siguro umpisa ko to representatives from the Board of 70 classes that are here to say something about Jack, no? Like make lang. Something, you know, Jack brought a lot of happiness. We're celebrating not because we're happy with his demise, but because he brought us a lot of happy memories, di ba? Especially the fairways. And on a personal note sa akin, tuwing mag-golf ako, hindi ko makakalimutan si Jack. Yung pattern niya, yung mahal na pattern yun, pang-marka yun, Merkelin, isa kami, bigay niya. Napalitan na rin yung handle, kaya yung tuwing magpapalit siya ng driver, yung pinalitan niya na pupunta sa akin, kaya 3 driver isang nag-umpisa R7, R11, pag ginagamit pa na galing kay Jack. So, it was Jack who gave me the incentive to take golf seriously. Kasi dati, pagka 100 pa sa puto, tuwa pa ako, because exercise. Exercise eh. Pero nung nag-high low na kami, si General Shimano, at saka si Glenn Rabosa, magka-partner. Kami ni Jack ang magka-partner. Talo kami palagi. So, tinuturo na ako ni Jack. Sabi niya, Mista, huwag mong gaganunin. Dito mo huwag sa ilalim. At binigyan ako ng mga pinupulit niya na pages. God lesson. Paano babasahin ko? Hindi ko naman nababasa. Kaya natrabaho ko nun eh. So, yun ang impact, yun ang memories na naiwan sa akin ni Jack. And I would like to request you to share also whatever happy memories Jack, or how Jack touched your life. So, umpisahan natin sa cubicle, CRO, yung mga most junior, class 75 ata, most junior. Can I request somebody from class 75 to say a few words? So, Ernie! Yan. Ernie Boa, palapakan natin!
Thank you, sir. At yung naman, kami ang pumunta dito. The youngest class. So, sa inyo lahat, sir, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. And we enjoyed very much the golf game today through the invitation of Class 71 in memory of a good friend, mentor, si Sir Jack Lingon. Hindi kami masyado nagsama sa unit, but there were some interactions that we have had. Of course, we were members of the, sabi nila doon, yung UPSEL, the AFP Controller Eligibility List. So, doon tayo nagsama-sama. Of course, nandiyan si Nelson Bato, before father, sa Arnold. So, thank you very much, sir. Hindi namin ma-refuse yung invitation ninyo. Especially, it's a very special occasion for Sir Jack Lingon. Salamat.
Okay, thank you, Tokayo. Okay, from class 74. Ito pambato nila sa sit-ups eh. Tama ba yan?
No, sir. Well, dito, kasama ko si Sir Jack sa HPA. Ang alam ko, at saka experience ko, yung mga nag-schooling abroad, kailangan mag-courtesy ko sa kanya because he was very generous. Yun. Kaya, tuloy si Sir Jack hindi makalimutan dahil marami tayong mga pinagdaanan doon sa kanya sa HPA, Second Division. Mabait siya. I hope he live longer. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So, from class 73. Ito. Yung mga nakapanood na ng commercial sa TV.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, gentlemen. Actually, we were arguing kung anong company si Sir Jack. May nagsabi, Delta. Tapos, Alpha. Bravo, ano ba sir? Company si Jack?
Alpha.
Alpha, sir?
Alpha. Lumipat sa Delta.
Lumipat sa Delta, sir.
Alpha.
Anyway, kanya ako ang pinaka-member nila, sir. Alpha ako forever, eh. Good afternoon again, gentlemen. Thank you very much, sir, for the invitation sa lahat ng mga kaklase ni Sir Jack. And the first time I met Sir Jack was in Bukidnon, doon sa Del Monte golf course. Doon kami nagkakilala sa golf. And he's really a good golfer and a very kind officer and gentleman. And that is all that I have with regard to Sir Jack. Sa golf lang kami nakikita, sir. Thank you very much again for the invitation.
Thank you, Christy. Nabanggit mo yung Del Monte. Napagano'n si General De Beire. Kasi meron siyang hole-in-one doon. Tama ba, Boots? Nakadalawang hole-in-one ata. Si Boots sa Del Monte. Okay, from class 72. Ano, glides? Pagkasasalita ka, enjoy si... Enjoy si Jack eh.
Ano ba nangyari sa atin ito? Ako naman. I hereby represent myself. Para mag-isa eh. What can I say about it, man? Who is very, very kind. I think he is the kindest yearling I ever met. And he is very, 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 very kind. Sir Jack is very, would say, a man of few words. Just like Ate Santillan. Just like him, the word surrender is not in his vocabulary. The word retreat is not in his vocabulary. The word defeat is not in his vocabulary. A lot of words are not in his vocabulary. He's a man of limited words. I mean, he's a man of limited words, but
And his favorite word?
reliance in defeat. Naalala ko kami ni Sir Jack, from Mindanao, we were given a chance to be assigned to Home Defense Center, something like that. We were on the way to Bicol. We stopped over in Lucena, where Sir Jack was assigned. Nakaaway namin yung mga PC doon. Kami dalawa ni Elmer Ignacio. Nag-usap kami doon sa tabindaan na may mga babaeng kaibigan. Tumaan yung mga PC na may lasing yata. Kung ano pa isa. Sinapak ni Elmer yung isa. Di bagsak. Alam niya may baril pala. Nahulog yung baril. Dinalpot yung portrait niya. Nagkarambulan na kami doon. Lasing sila eh. Kami nakainom din pero hindi kami masyadong lasing.
ng second division.
Tapos, nagkakaproblema ngayon yung RMA at saka PC doon. Si Sir Jack ang nag-ayos sa amin. Munta kami sa headquarters. Siyempre, galing ka sa away, away yung hanap mo. Hindi na alam, may submit kami mga granada ba? Ay nakita ng ibang PC. Sir, bakit may granada yung makasama? So napilitan sila makipag-negotiate sa amin. So nasave namin yung potential na away ng Army at PC. Kasi area ng PC yun eh. Parang squadron lang ng Army. So naayos ni Sir Jack yun. Siya, manumanay siya pagsalita eh. Talagang convincing, very kind. At nabulan naman niya yung mga PC, so hindi rin naman sila na nag-fan. Pero sa kasakali man, kamagkamatayan, talagang patuhin mo sila ng granada. So, yan na isang karanasan ko kay Sir Jack. Na sa isang banda, talagang palagi siyang level-headed. Hindi siya masyadong para kang walang kitang galit sa puso niya. Hindi kasi bilang galit. So, yan ang pagkilala ko sa kanya at sana yan din ang magiging ugali natin lahat. At kung saan sa naroon, sa tingin ko, happy siya na makita tayo na nagsasaya sa fairway kasama ang ating mga upperclassmen na provided us with a glimpse of our future by looking at them. That's the way we will play 5 years from now. Very quite slower in pace, not quite accurate in their shots, but still they're proud and enjoying their 130-yard drive. So sana habang pwede pa tayo maglaro, laro tayo ngayon, at tuwing maglaro tayo, maalala natin si Peter Jack. nanonood sa atin.
Thank you, Grace. Yeah. As I have said earlier, pagka meron tayong fellowship, pag nagsasalita si Glides, si Jack talagang buga yung chair niya sa pagtawa. And as you have mentioned, Jack is also one of the pioneers, di ba, nung as far as I can recall, magkaroon ng Corp 70 when it started. Nandiyan na pa. Palagi si Jack backing up Clyde, di ba? Ed and all the others that started that Corp 70 that we have learned to anticipate. No? Class 71.
Oh, meron President.
President.
Irene Sani. Gentlemen, good afternoon. Jacinto Castillo Ligot. Kabatchmate ko yan si Jack when we were in Bilunan. Sa entrance natin sa academy. Dalisan and Ligot. During that time, tahimik lang si Jack eh. But I knew him that he's from Pusurubio, Pangasinan. Anyway, true to form, talagang very humble and unassuming si Jack. And then PMA, nung plebo tayo, ganun rin, tahimik lang siya. Pero second time I met him was in Tanay when Glides and I were taking up our Scout Ranger. He was, I think, under General Ribo, preparing the training for Mindanao. Now the third time, sa Malacanang na, he was the battalion commander of the 1st IB, no? Task Force Pasig, Presidential Security Battalion. Sila yung army na sa ilalim ng tulay. Ilalim ng nagtahan, doon ang kailang headquarters. And his favorite pastime is yung square table. So, doon kami nagmamadyong sa headquarters niya. And sometimes, of course, with gods, doon sa area naman ni gods. Doon kami nagmamadyong. And then, siyempre, nag-iwalay na tayo. And then later on, sa Gorp na natin. And when we graduated, na-receive kami ni Jack and some army people, class 70.
Of Jack, to say something about him. Sir Ike, pwede ba ikaw? Ambassador? Yeah. Ambassador, sanay pagka...
Kaunti lang ang masabi ko kay Jack. A man of few words, kaya po, no? Kaya kung magkita kami, kumustahan na lang. Kumusta ka? Mabuti. Ikaw, mabuti din. Hanggang doon na lang. Kaya, alam niyo si Jack, ang batihan namin is ganun lang. Kumustahan, kumusta ka, kumusta rin ako. At pagkatapos after that, we both smile and then just fade away. Ganyan ang pagkakilala ko kay Jack. But karamihan ng mga bulong-bulungan na lang ang sa akin. Mga pagkakilala ko sa kanya, mga galing sa mga ibang, sa mga classmate niya, kaya ninyo. And then from the lower classes, upper class niya ako, I was the yearling of class 70, but I didn't have the chance to really know him. Only after I started playing golf and I saw him in the golf course, those were the times that I learned about him. Sabi ko sa kanya, siya ay very, from the way I assessed him, he was very kind, very, very kind. Kaya sabi ni Glides, masyadong mabait. So, with that, I think I've said enough. Thank you for giving me the chance to say something.
Thank you, sir. Palakpakan natin si former ambassador sa Begonia. my very kind and very snappy squad leader. Sige, Mr. Tex. Yeah, I would like to say something. Kasi nagkasama ata kayo, di ba?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Magandang hapon sa mga class 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 68. 75. Sorry. Did I miss any class? 69. No. Pero sa chat group namin sa Malacanang, di sa PSC PGB, pag nag-post si Jack, yun lang, yung parang greetings na picture, ano. Pero nakausap ko siya. Sabi niya, then the last time I found out about Jack, he passed. Now on the happy side, when the audiovisual thing was going on, sabi ko kay Ed, kaya kasama namin sa Malacanang si Ed. Before Jack was the first security battalion, Gojo Romy was the commander, di ba? Pumalit sa'yo si Jack. Naman ang golf course yan, waiting for us when we follow suit with you. So, that's it. But like everybody said, napaka-bait mo. So, pray for us, Jack, okay? See you there.
Okay, Mr. Before I call on our chairman, Emeritus, is there any other Alpan who would like to say something about Jack?
Mamaya meron akong i-request na magsalita also from my classmates at saka yung ating honorary member of the class. Today, aside from golf, this is the 40th day of Jack. Ngayon araw nito. Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng fellowship ngayon. Kung ano ibig sabihin niyang 40th day. Well, the 40th day is the number of days nung namatay yung isang tao. Ay ano naman ang significance ng 40th day? Bakit 40? Ito pala yung araw na mag-transition, end of the transition from one life to the other life. Ito, tapos na itong life niya noong 40 days ago, ngayon, supposed to be mag-transition na niya sa next life. And in fact, siguro hinintay pa niya matapos itong affair natin dito bago siya pumunta talaga tuloy-tuloy. Nakikinig siya ngayon. He is here with us today. And so, tataka rin kayo siguro kung wala ako sa uniform sa klase namin. Sinadya ko ito. Nandyan yung uniform ko, pero hindi ko sinusuot kasi dalawang uniform namin eh. Sinadya ko talaga ito because alam mo ba kung anong ibig sabihin itong kulay nito? Guess. Ribs. Then,
Gold dyan eh, gold. Black and gold. Black, gold.
with the orange one,
Orange.
and this is the black. So it is really the meaning is when you say about orange, that is happiness. But when you say black, that is mourning. It means death. So sinadya ko talagang isuot ito kasi ayaw ko kasama si Jack sa pag-design itong uniform namin. Ito yung uniform namin isa. Very snappy. Yan. Ito naman,
So it is really an irony that we have happiness here, then we have loneliness down. So sabi ko nga, palagay ko this will be my last time to wear this one. Kasi ayaw ko naman na meron ko uling susot na ganito. Yung sinasabi mo ano. Well, ito rin, may meaning rin dito sa golf eh. Kasi si Jack, he was telling us, naka-cancer survivor na siya. He was able to live, go on, na-lick niya yung cancer. So very happy kami noon. Then all of a sudden, nag-down siya. Ganyan ba yung golf? Na malapit ka ng sa last hole, tapos all of a sudden, trouble ka, natalo ka pa. Ganun siguro ang buhay. Sometimes, siya rin na nag-invento itong giant na ito eh. Alam mo yung giant, meron kaming sinasabi ni Nesty kanina, na team, may team kami eh. We call it the 6 stars team. 6 stars team. Ang ibig sabihin, you play kung meron kayong 6 stars. So ano yung 6 stars? So 6 stars, so it's either 4 star plus 2 star against 6 stars rin kalaban. Kami ni Glenn, siya partner ko sa 6 stars. 4 stars, 2 stars ito eh. Kaya 6 stars. Kalaban namin, si Jack Ligot, 3 stars. Sino ang kakampi niya? Si Nesty Carolina, 3 stars. So 6 stars total. Ayun, yan ang giant. Bakit naman giant? Giant, ang nag-ano dyan, ang nag-invento ng giant na yan, na salita, ay si Jack. Ano ba yung Tagalog ng giant?
Higante. Higante.
Maghigante, yung ibig sabihin yun. Kaya giant ang dati, ang laban namin. So yun ang aking mas istorya about kay Jack. Laban na naman kami pero wala na si Jack. Pero nag-change na kami ng format. Ang partner ko kanina, si Foresta, General Santiago. Pero meron akong talagang narinig na sinabi yun sa Senate hearing eh. You are something, I am everything. Narinig ba niyo yan, no? You are something, I am everything. That's management. Ang ibig sabihin ng manager,
You are nothing, I am everything.
ang sinabi niya, that's the meaning of what he said. Bakit everything siya? Ang ibig sabihin, marunong ka lang sa iyong opisina. Pero lahat ng mga opisina, alam ko yan. Ganyan ang ibig niyang sabihin. Ito yung sinasabihan mo, Mr.
Yung drug agent.
Sino yun?
PDA agent.
Oh,
Yung PDA agent, di ba?
it's something and I am everything. Okay, pinagmamalangay kita, Mr. Kakampi ko kanina, kalaban namin, itong dalawa 1 star at saka 2 star. Sabi niya, narinig ko eh. Nagkakaw bubungay itong mga 4 stars rito. Sabi lang, tatalo kami. Ano kami?
8 star versus 3 star.
Oo. 6 stars, 8 stars
Oo.
versus 3.
Oh,
Dapat
plus 5.
Plus 5 na dapat.
Plus five.
Ito na yung mga giant na mga continuation kasi ng giant na ito. Kaya by the way, mamaya I will be requesting a member of the South team, North team. Sasalita kayo for him. So mag-formal naman tayong ganito to pay tribute to a fallen golfer. So, maraming salamat sa inyo, Class 69, Class 71, Class 72, 23, 74, and 75. Maraming salamat sa inyong mag-golf ngayon. And later on, probably we can make some picture taking by class later. But in the meantime, I would like to request Guy Galvante to say something on Jack. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Roy. Good afternoon, gentlemen. May binulong ako kanina kay Roy kung paano nalipat si Jack. Kasi magkakasama kami sa Alpha. Kaya si Christy Dato, alam niya yan. Pinag-uusapan dahil nung nag-i-even out yung mga first class strength sa companies, eh medyo sobrang Alpha. At tinatanong ako bilang company commander kung sino ililipat. Eh ang Alpha, kilalang terrible company. Andiyan si Tagoy. Si Jack napakabait. Parang advance out siya to become an Alpha. Napakabait ni Jack tahimik, hindi maalo, whatever. Kaya ewan ko, sana Jack, kung medyo nagalit ka sa akin nung nailipat kita sa Delta, pasensya na. Pero yun, in appreciation lang sa iyong kabaitan. Kasi ako galing sa Delta. Kung ikukumpara ko ang Alpha at Delta, napaka-ahamo ng Deltans. Napaka-snappy. Next to Alpha. Anyway, yun ang isang masasabi ko kay Jack. Totoo yung sabi ni Dykes na napaka-bait. Ngayon, hindi kami nakaka-join sa kanya pag nag-iimbita siya sa amin to join din here maglaro sa Navy kasi medyo malayo. Kaya ginawa ni Big Signy, gumawa ng demarcation line ng Pasig. Kaya Magiting North kami yung sa veterans naglalaro, tsaka yung Magiting South, ito sina General Bonsa, sina General Simanto. Eh, totoo yung mga sinabi niyong lahat. Napakabait niya, napaka-considerate. At isa pang hindi ko makalimutan na isang, unselfish si Jack. Nung first class kami, nagkaroon kami ng trip sa Taiwan. Eh, magkakasama kami. Nag-take advantage yan si Joey.
Wala pa yan.
Yung pala, every time na may tumaw ng barko, nilalapit na naka-umbrella, kala mo magbabumili ng baboy eh. Yung pala, may in-offer na partner ng daong mo. Anyway, hindi si Jack yung nag-take advantage doon. Ako kinuha ko yung salamin niya at para makita ko kung sino yun. Nakalimutan ko na yung soli sa kanya. Pero si Jack, very hindi ba, nung maalala ko kanya pala yung salamin, isinagay ko na sa kanya. Anyway, ganun kabait si Jack, unselfish, laging accommodating. At Jack, while pre-prepare mo yung laruan sa pupuntahan mo, isama mo rin kami sa preparation, pero huwag muna ngayon. Perfectin muna namin yung laro namin dito ngayon sa ibaba, bago namin dalhin sa itaas. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Isang honorary member namin na pinagmamalaki namin. Pero kilala na ninyo kasi palagi nyo nakakasama sa golf course. Tony Yuli Sevilla, classmate.
Ito muna yung beer ko rito dahil kung nandito si partner Jack sa inyong kainuman ko.
Yan eh.
Siguro sisimulan ko paano ako napunta sa Premier Class 17. Ang una nilang kagrupo talaga yung younger brother ko, si Jerry. Jerry, please rise to be recognized. Yan ang pinakapuso namin kapatid. Mukha lang sa matanda pero ako yung panganay. Ngayon, nung una ko sila makasama dito sa Aguinaldo, that was way back in 2014. Nakikita ko panay soft drinks yung iniinom. Lalo na si Big Signy, si Asek Galvante. Pero na-identify ko yung mga manginginom. Sabi ko, classmate ko ito. Nandito si Len Rabonsa, Secretary si Matu, si Butz de Vera, si Ed Israel, at paminsan-minsan sumasama sa amin si Nestor Carolina. Kaya nagkaroon ng North at South. Yung North, mga soft drinks ang iniinom. Ka-close ko, maliban sa lahat sila ka-close ko. Pero si partner Jack, siya yung madalas kong kasama. Kaya nung makikita mo, parang malungkot eh. Ako yung lagi niyang kasama. Tignan niyo yung pinakita sa video presentation. 80% ako yung kasama. Sabi ko nga, kung nandito si partner Jack, nagiinuman kami. Napakabait ni partner Jack talaga. Para kung masang magulang, kapatid. Pati pagka mag-golf, siya ang kapartner ko sa class 70. Ngayon si General Ray Velasco, una ko kasi nabarkada mga class 71. Sabi ni General Mayor Velasco, saan ka ba talaga, class 70 o class 71? Dahil sila yung mga kasama ko. Nakita ko yung class 72, si General Mel Mapilin. Parang Solomonic decision, sabi ko. 82. Sabi ko, doon ako sa Sandigan Golfers. Para lang, hindi ako makompromiso. Pero siyempre, nung nandito na ako sa class 70, sabi ko nga masaya, mga kagrupo, at masaya rin yung 71. Kaya, ang kakilala ko madalas, 71 pati 70. Ngayon si partner Jack, pagka mag-goal kami, very organized siya. Sabi nyo nga, man of few words. Pero panay action siya, talagang mabait. Pagka may problema siya, sinasabi niya sa akin. Problema niya sa apo. Partner, may problema ako sa apo ko. 5 taon na, hindi pa naglalakad. Bakit partner? Panay takbo kasi ng takbo eh. Let's raise a big toast for a true friend. Partner Jack, thanks for the friendship and fellowship, memories, lessons that I learned from you, and for the laughter. May your spirit continue to guide us on the grace and in life. Mabuhay ka. Cheers.